Healthcare hena chakot hanabagi pandamda numit nini chupna chathagadaba National Conference ama RIMS Hospital the Hokre Conference asi RIMS Imphal National Institute of Technology Manipur amasung NIT Nagaland na sinduna met engage uniting clinicians and engineers for biomedical innovation aiba thimda pangtokpani RIMS ki Banting Hall da chathariba conference asi hogdokpugi thoramda RIMS ki Director Professor G Sunil Kumar nav hai clinicians amasung engineers sing Punsinduna healthcare facility henna fagathanba asigumna conference ama pangtokpa si yamna phaba khongthang amani haina nungaiba phongdoke loinana conference asina innovations oiba idea kaya putoktuna scientific oiba afaba healthcare facility miyamda fanghanbada achoba mating oigani haibagi thazaba phongdoke tormaduda gamari leinana official amadi expert kayan sarkyaki
conferences such as Med Engage create a platform where ideas can cross boundaries, where a clinician unmet need can spark an engineer's breakthrough solution. We must also remember that innovation in India must be context sensitive. Our solutions should be affordable, accessible, scalable, and sustainable. Biomedical innovation should not remain confined to high resource settings. It must reach district hospitals, primary health centers, and rural communities. Such real success of Med Engage will be measured not only by publication of prototypes, but by the lives improved and saved.